What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I know I need to start looking at the lens. I always look at myself. I need to start looking at the lens to talk to y'all. But anyways, we are going to talk about plants. When I started this channel, I did the DIY and I did plants. They got low views. So views really, sometimes it's hit or miss depending on what are you discussing. Most of my views I get is from power tools. All right. But I do have a passion for DIY and I do have a passion for plants. All right. So this plant right here is called the hydrangea. This thing cost me last year like $5. All right. If you get it from the store like this, I'm gonna explain why it cost me $5. But if you get it from the store like this, as it is right now, this would cost you like $30. Okay. I'm gonna tell you why it cost me way less than half of the price. All right. I got another one right here. You see this? Same plant. This is not a dead plant. You see the green that's coming out? That green wasn't there last week. So we have been watering. Well, my wife has been watering the plant. I got another one here. It's a different type of hydrangea. And as you can see, you see this? You got new growth coming in. All right. Now hydrangeas usually bloom between what is it, May? Between May, and they bloom most of the summer. All right. They can't be in the heat. All right. All right. So with this is $4. Okay, I'm gonna repeat that again. $4. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what. You see right here. All right. I know y'all can't see it that good, but this is $4 clearance. When you go to Lowe's and Home Depot, you want to go in the distressed. Go on the outdoors part. Ask them, where are y'all distressed plants? The distressed plants are plants that haven't got enough water this year, or that was in too much sun. You know, basically wasn't treated as well as the other plants. This was this last year. Okay. So last year, the way this looked right here, that's the way this looked. So this took a year to be like this. Last year, this thing was terrible. Last year, I think $5. I think this one cost me $5. But right now, it's nice and healthy. All right. So that's about it on that. I just wanted to give y'all some there's some ideas on how to shop for plants for cheap. Okay. But yeah, this one is basically coming to life. All right. So with hydrangeas, you, when it's like this, don't prune it. Okay. Do not prune this plant. Let it be just like this. All right. You can replant it, but let it be. That's what I did with this one. I let it be, and you see how the new leaves are coming up. It's going to come up as a stem, just like this. All right. All these are new stems. Do not prune it. Do not cut it. Don't do nothing. If you do, you will kill it. Trust me. Learn from my mistakes. Do not clip nothing. All right. I mean, other than that, just want to do a quick video on the flowers. So I know it don't get that much views, but just in case, you know, if you're a homeowner, you may want to have something colorful in your garden. Hydrangeas is probably one, maybe number one. I see a lot of hydrangeas out there. Daggone hummingbird. Hummingbird just flew right next to my head. Oh man. What was I? Oh yeah, hydrangeas is probably the number one thing in your garden that brings out good color. One key to hydrangeas, I was talking to a lady at Lowe's and she said hers kept dying, right? Look, an older lady. But I told her, it was probably depending on, you know, wherever you get most of your sun. You have to know where most of your sun is hitting on your house. So if your house is in the front of the yard, and all right, so say my yard, most of the sun it will be in the front of the yard. All right, the back of the yard right here gets at least, of the morning sun gets at least 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. These only need 3 hours of morning sun. It cannot handle evening sun. It can't handle 90 degrees straight down sun on it. It can't. Even some of this got burnt right here. I don't know if you can. I don't know if you can see it that good, but some of this here got burnt. All right. So some of this got burnt because we left it on this side of the deck, the front side. We forgot to put it on the back side. So some of the sun hit that. So with hydrangeas, do not leave it in the sun. So if you have a garden, know what part of the garden, if you want it on the front of your house, do you want it on the side of your house, or do you want it in the back of your house? Know where your morning sun rises. All right, that is the key for success with hydrangeas. And keep it damp. We water it every morning, period. Every morning this gets water. Actually, all of them get watered. As you can see, these are coming back to life. So next year, these are going to look real good. All right, this one is even going to have purple on it. So that's basically it. Rehabilitating plants, and it's a therapy. This is kind of a therapy too. So like, comment, and subscribe to Always Occupied.